Hi everybody, this is Jim with Drone Techie, and today we are doing the boxing of the Anafi. Let me tell you why. Last week we did a video of the unboxing. Today we're going to be doing a video of the boxing. Why? I got into an accident. I was doing an inspection in National City, California, which is right next to Chula Vista, if you guys don't know where that is. South San Diego area. Alright. I took it up. It went up. I took it outside. I wanted to do an inspection of the roof. And it wasn't that high up. I mean, maybe 25 feet up, and that's about it. And the wind was roughly anywhere from 8 to 12 miles an hour. With gusts of 12 and higher, a little bit higher, not much. But it says it can go up to 30 miles an hour in wind, right? 30 mile an hour wind, hold up to 30 mile an hour wind. So I took it up, everything was fine. I didn't really trust the fact that the wind was drifting a lot. So I brought it back down. I also did a compass calibration. I brought it back down. I said, you know what? Let me bring it inside. Let me do the shots on the inside, and we'll take it from there. So I did. I did the shots. I wanted to do the shots. I brought it into the kitchen. It went up. It hovered. It started drifting. Like that. Just like that. Started drifting left, right, forward, back. All of a sudden, I brought it back down, moved it out a few feet. I figured it was a magnetic interference. So brought it up again. Same thing. It stabilized. All of a sudden it went up and went down, straight back, and it hit me on my finger. Let me show you that. I mean, it's almost healed, but it was a little bit big and it looked like a big deal. So it cut me there and it cut me here as well. That one got a little infected, but it's okay. Alright, so I washed the blood off. It landed